In the vast expanse of modern technology, each innovation traces back to a remarkably unassuming origin: sand. This humble beginning births the silicon chip, the cornerstone of our digital era. Hardly larger than a postage stamp, these chips power everything from the smartphones that connect us to the satellites above. Embarking on a journey from one of Earth's most plentiful resources to the pulse of technology, the transformation from sand to silicon highlights human ingenuity and the pervasive role of silicon in our daily lives. As we explore the creation of these chips, we embark on a narrative that shapes our future. Transitioning from sandy shores to the core of technological marvels, we reach the seminal process of silicon chip fabrication. This segment unveils the ballet of precision and innovation, where simple elements become the lifeblood of technology. Manufacturing a silicon chip involves a series of complex steps executed in clean rooms, where perfection is paramount. The complexity is profound, requiring nanoscopic precision across numerous stages, including photolithography and etching, each vulnerable to myriad potential failures. Yet, human ingenuity prevails. Advances in cleanroom technology, ultraviolet lithography, and material science have exponentially improved production, making the once impossible a daily achievement. These innovations not only surmount past hurdles, but also herald chips that are smaller, faster, and more powerful, reinforcing the silicon chip as a bastion of modern civilization that propels innovation. Our exploration advances from grains of sand to the revolution epitomized by silicon chips, the backbone of our digital existence. These minuscule marvels, powering devices from our hands to the heavens, have irrevocably changed our lives, making astounding levels of convenience and connectivity our new norm. Looking ahead, the horizon of silicon chip technology is limitless. With each day, the relentless pursuit of innovation pushes us closer to a future brimming with untold possibilities. Standing at the dawn of new discoveries, the journey of the silicon chip is an ongoing saga of human creativity, promising to lead us into a future where the wonders of silicon unfold in unimaginable ways.